Welcome to the best pizza channel. Today, something special. Me and Francesco, we are going to show you how to make pizza. Take a look. Boom! Yellow! Yes! How to make pizza. Then here you go, guys. You ever heard about this? Take a look at this dough. Yellow, nice and soft. How to make the recipe. 450 grams of 00 flour, 300 grams of Poolish, 20 grams of sea salt, 300 grams of cold water, and the key ingredients of this dough, 10 grams of turmeric, curcuma, and together let's put a pinch of ginger. So let's start to put the water. Let's put the key ingredient. There we go. Mix with a pinch of ginger. Like you can see already the color of the water. Wow. It's the same color of the bowl. Orange. But that is gonna become a little bit yellow, the dough. Now let's add the Poolish. 24 hours ago we made this pre-dough. If you see my channel, you can learn how to make it. It's very simple. Let's put the Poolish. Let's melt the Poolish in the water. It's time to add the flour. With a little spatula, we put all the ingredients together. This process will take about 2-3 minutes. It's time to add the salt. Now with your hands, let's start to touch the dough and let's start to work it. Let's put it on the counter and voila, look how yellow it is. This is really fascinating to me. Wow. Let's let it rest 10 minutes. This way is to make the gluten of the dough a little bit more strong. I'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, here you go. After 10 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and take it back. Pay attention what we do, because this is very important step. So we are closing the dough inside. So like we are making a balloon here. Because every time you do that, the outside of the dough will become more strong. And the outside of the dough, it basically is the gluten. Let's let it rest one more time, 10 minutes. Okay, now is the final step to do a nice big ball. And now you'll see it's going to be nice and smooth. Olive oil in your hands. This way the dough will not stick to your hands. And let's make the ball. Follow the hands. There we go. Take a look. See, we are closing inside. Flip it. Boom. Flip it. Boom. And like you can see, nice and smooth. There we go. Done. Now the dough is ready. Grab the dough and put it down as I was in the counter. And let's let it rest for 1 hour in the container at room temperature. See you in 1 hour. And voila, guys, take a look. After 1 hour, nice and yellow. So now we are ready to make the balls. Mamma mia, Francesco.
Look at this, man. Whoa, it's amazing, bro.
Let's make the balls.
Come on.
Wow! Fallo di nuovo, che la devo usare come foto. Sì, così. Wow, guys, take a look of this crust. Oh my god. Woo! Nice and yellow. Let's make the balls. Always keep the top part on top, just like that. Spatola, use always a spatola, don't pull the dough. Tan, 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 tieni. The top part on top. Take a look. Nice, elastic. Nice and elastic. Boom, one. Top on top. Those balls are around 280. Perfect. The balls are ready. Let's put it in the box. On top, vai Francesco. No. Done. So now, let's close it and room temperature for 1 hour, 1 hour and a half at room temperature. I'll see you then. Soft and full of air, so we're ready to go ahead and try this pizza. This is my first time trying this pizza. Francesco, okay, he said, Vito, why we don't make a pizza dough, a yellow pizza dough? Here you go. We are ready to make the dough, the pizza. So let's put the flour. We use a mix of semolina and flour, 50-50. And then take a look what I do. Boom, take it out. Upside down in the flour. There we go. Nice. I can tell already that it's really soft. Wow. Take flour everywhere. Down. Now pay attention what I do, because this is 70% of hydration. This is how we stretch. Press the air to the crust. Pinch it in. Then take out the flour. Boom. Right there. Now press a little bit more strong. Press all the air to the crust. Then stop right there. Then upside down again. Pom, 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 pom. Right now, a little bit of flour. Boom. Then put it on top of your hands, just like that. Make it a little bit larger, and then done. This pizza, we're gonna make it a white pizza, because if you're going to put the tomato sauce, unfortunately, we're gonna lose the flavor of the dough. So let's make it a white pizza. Simply white pizza, but of course you can do whatever you want. So in this case we're going to put a little bit of olive oil, spread the olive oil, Parmesan cheese, a nice fresh mozzarella. We keep a little bit of basil right here because we're gonna put it outside. We're gonna take it, and now once it's on the peel, we're gonna pinch it, finger under, and we're gonna make it a little bit larger, because the dough balls is about 280 and they're ready to rock and roll in the oven. Okay, this oven is about right now at 750, not too much, because when you're cooking the pizza high hydrated, the dough needs to be cooked a little bit lower temperature, otherwise it's not gonna cook inside. Right, Francesco, turn it. Oh my God, take a look at this pizza. Wow! Wow! This is an amazing oven. Check out the link below and to see this amazing, outstanding oven that I really love. Pizza is almost ready.
No,
Wow, gosh! Wow, look at this dough. Take it out! Hey, don't burn the pizza! Hey, don't burn the pizza! Oh my God!
What are you doing, bro?
Oh,
Come on.
take a look. Take a look of this pizza, nice and yellow. Smells fantastic. Smells fantastic. I'm gonna show you the inside, the yellow of this dough. Outstanding. Let's cut. Shh. Let's cut the pizza. Vieni vicino, Desi. Let's cut the pizza. Shh. Oh my God. Are you ready? Take a look of the crust. Oh my God. Oh my God. I smell the ginger. Outstanding. It's time. Take a look. Wow. I mean, smash a thumbs up and subscribe.
Amazing. No, man.
This is mine. Cut your piece.
Are you serious? Okay.
Wow.
This is. Okay.
What a smell! I highly recommend to you to eat the pizza, just white pizza with cheese or a focaccia, just the dough. Outstanding, outstanding.
Very, very good. Have you seen the cross?
Take a look of the cross.
It's empty.
Take a look of the cross. Yellow.
It's empty.
Wow. Imagine you do a sandwich with this.
Ooh, it's very, very nice.
I hope you like this video. Please, if you make the dough like this, tag me on Instagram, Vito Iacopelli, or tag us on the Instagram pizza update or my page on Instagram, Vito Iacopelli. Now it's time to subscribe down here below and leave a like. I'll see you at the
And
next
share
video.
everywhere.
And of course, share everywhere. I'll see you soon. Ciao.